My love, do you know the alphabet song?
Sure, it goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Well, it's a bit slow. Let's try it in French.
Hello and welcome to French with Love. I'm Nazlı.
I'm Benjamin. Today we will learn the French alphabet.
The good news for the new beginners like me is that the French alphabet is the same as in English.
The bad news is that all letters are pronounced differently. So in this video, the important thing is the pronunciation. And what is the best way to remember pronunciation? Songs! So today we will sing. Are you ready? Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. The French alphabet. The equivalent of a speech sound is called letter. A set of letters in a language is called alphabet. The word alphabet comes from the combination of Greek letters alpha and beta. French alphabet is the same as the English alphabet. It contains 26 letters and 6 of them are vowels. In French alphabet, the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, Y. The other 20 letters are called consonants. To see all letters in French, let's see some popular French names.
A. Alfred. A. B. Benjamin. B. C. Célia. C. D. Denise. D. E.
In French, the letter E is pronounced as E like in bird or as E like in turn without any R sound.
E. F. François. F. G. Gabriel. G. H. Hugo. H. IJ, KL, MNOP.
IJ, KL, MNOP.
I. Isabelle. I. J. Jade. J. K. Kevin. K. L. Louis. L. M. Maël. M. N. Nazlı. N. O. Olivier. O. P. Paul. P. QR, ST, UV, W.
QR, ST, UV, W.
Q. Quentin. Q. R. Raphaël. R. S. Sophie. S. T. Théo. T. U.
In French, the letter U is pronounced as U, like in Pluto.
U. V. Valentin. V. W. William. W.
Les trois dernières lettres sont X, Y et Z.
Les trois dernières lettres sont X, Y et Z.
X. Xavier. X. Y. Yannick. Y. Z. Zoé. Z.
It's already the end of our video. We are aware that there are some French letters that are difficult to pronounce in English, like E and U. But don't forget, with practice, it will be just easy as ABC.
Till the next time, please do not forget to like this video, keep following us, and for more information, visit our website.
Et en attendant notre prochaine vidéo, continuez à chanter. By the way, let's finish this video with a song we have already learned today. Ready? Let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Les trois dernières lettres sont X, Y et Z. See you next time.
Stay with love!